Sunrise, 7:15 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. June 16th, 2023. Point England, Auckland, New Zealand. Riding a bicycle along Point England coastline from the Panmure Boat Club to the Waiotaiki Nature Reserve. 3.6 kilometres of beautiful coastline at sunrise. The council has done a great job of planting native trees and shrubs along the coastline. There are a surprising number of people riding bicycles and walking dogs, no doubt enjoying the sunrise early in the morning, in the middle of winter. Point England Reserve has a white sand beach with calm waters and is a safe place for swimming. The tide is fully in, great for swimming if you don't mind the cool water in the middle of winter. People are fishing around the rocky points between the bays. The reserve has a large rugby field and a playground for children. Waiotaiki Nature Reserve features a mixture of exotic and native bush. It is home to many different birds and plants as well as grazing horses. Sunrise from Mount Wellington.